Today, we're going to explore checking out ebooks. Many of you have been checking out ebooks on the Overdrive app for years. You may even have this app installed on your phone. You can still use this app for a little while longer, but it is going to be replaced soon by an app called Sora that you will notice on the left-hand side, the little rocket ship that's soaring to outer space. To access either of the apps to check out ebooks, you will want to go to the NEISD homepage and navigate to Launchpad. Once you log into Launchpad, you will go to the Library Resources page and you will scroll down to either the Overdrive app or the new Sora eBooks app. Once in the Sora eBooks app, you will come to your homepage. You will want to go to Explore. You can either explore the existing collection that's there, or you can scroll down to popular subjects. The nice thing about this is you can choose a genre that you'd like to look at or a category. Here I'm going to go ahead and go to young adult fiction, and I'm going to scroll. As you can see, if the book is available, it does say borrow, listen to a sample, or add it to a list, and it does show you if it's an audio book by the headphones or just showing the book cover. As you scroll, you'll notice that some of them say place a hold. This means that that book is not available and you're going to put yourself on a list to get it when it is available. When you find a book that you would like to borrow, you simply go to the borrow button and it will go into your account. As you go through this book, you'll notice that it's super easy to toggle between pages through this bar right here. And you can also use the arrows on your computer. When I'm ready to go into my other account, I can search in this. I can go to chapters. I can bookmark my pages right here. And then I can close out of that book if I want to. And here it says I've borrowed a book, happy reading. I can tell it okay. You can see that if I go home, I have two things checked out. I have Punching the Air in audiobook, and I have Black Girl Unlimited in a regular ebook. If I'm going to have an audiobook that I'm going to listen to, I'm going to open my audiobook, and it's going to play automatically. Super easy to navigate, guys, super easy to do. If there is a book that you have on hold, please make sure that you go to the Madison webpage to Miss Wright's library. I'm going to navigate there now and let me know that that book is on hold, because if you are too far down on the hold list, I can purchase that book for you. When you get to the library page, you just go to Student Resources and you go to the Overdrive Holds Google form and fill out that form for me and submit it so that I know whether I need to purchase another copy of that book for you. Happy checking out, guys. Remember that on the Sora app, if you're exploring just like if you were in Overdrive, you can look up books in all kinds of other ways. You can look it up by search for a book. You can do advanced searches and things like that. So have fun exploring, have fun checking out. If you have any questions, please let me know and have a wonderful day.